Time to vote. All right, guys, this is a new campaign that's been launched with 150 brands across this country, really supporting voter turnout for the November 6 midterms. Now, why is this so important? Well, we have companies like The Gap, Walmart, Lyft, and Patagonia, amongst others, coming together to do not only supporting their employees by giving them time off to go and vote, but also coming out with huge campaigns, video, viral campaigns, print media ads, all to support voter turnout for the midterms. Now, why is this important? Well, obviously, guys, we're in a highly politicized economy and in space right now. But the most important thing here is to see these businesses, again, nonpartisan campaign, but to see these businesses really encourage their constituency, their audience, their consumers to be excited and to go out and vote and to speak their minds. Now, obviously, we've heard about things like Patagonia suing President Donald Trump over issues over environmental protection and what that means for the environment. But other companies like Walmart, for example, have been extremely nonpartisan, and they're encouraging their employees to say, hey, it's time to make your voice count. These days, we've been seeing lower voter turnout than actually has been expected. So seeing companies start to get around this concept is extremely valuable and important. Lyft is going to be providing free and low discounted rides for the midterms, especially to underserved cities. And I think this is really valuable and important because we need to be able to not only activate, everyone, but certainly those who are not going to be able to get to their polling stations easily or as efficiently. So kudos to Lyft for actually taking a step and helping underserved communities get their vote out. Now, companies, I'm really hoping to see a lot of them start to jump on this bandwagon. Again, there's already 150 who signed up so far, but I'm expecting to see a lot of small to medium-sized companies start to get out there and also start to support time to vote. Really exciting, amazing to see businesses really take a stand out there, and I hope to see so many more fashion companies and retailers not only support their businesses internally, creating the time and space for their employees to go vote, but also starting to create campaigns and starting to push that brand awareness. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.